Let's talk about winter. Winter is the coldest season of the year. In winter, the temperature drops. In some places, it falls below zero at night. Snow is frozen water that falls from the sky. It is white and soft and covers the ground. People wear warm clothes in winter. Coats, scarves, gloves, and hats keep the cold out. Most places use heaters in winter. In Japan, a heated table helps people stay warm at home. Hot food is very popular in winter. A hot pot is a favorite winter meal in Japan. Hot drinks are comforting in winter. Tea, coffee, and warm soup are all very welcome on cold days. Christmas is celebrated on December 25th. It is a very popular holiday in winter. New Year is the most important holiday in Japan. Many people visit shrines on January 1st. Skiing and snowboarding are popular winter sports. Ski resorts are very busy. Roads and footpaths can be slippery in winter. It is important to walk slowly and carefully. The winter sky is often clear and blue. On cold nights, you can see the stars very clearly. Winter nights are long and quiet. Many people spend them at home with family, warm food, and television. Winter can be cold, but it is also a cozy season. Warm drinks, good food, and time at home make it special.